آج یہاں سینٹ جارجز ہال بریڈفرڈ میں ہم ایک بہت خوبصورت پرفارمنس دیکھنے والے ہیں. اس پرفارمنس کے پیچھے Bradford Literature Festival is proud to present the world premiere of the first ever symphonic interpretation of Allama Muhammad Iqbal's legendary Urdu poem Shikwah by Rachel Ranjan, Abhi Sampa and Manchester Camerata.
So I have someone that sits with me and explains all the meanings. So I'm not originally, Urdu speaking. So I have someone sit with me, go through the translations. I still find, some of the words quite difficult, but I'm trying my best.
For British Asians in particular, we've grown up with multiple worlds of music and culture around us. We have where we come from in our heritage, and that's so deeply rooted in us. But then we're also so widely exposed to everything that happens in the UK and all of the Western music and the Western classical music and things like that. So when those two worlds can come together and when they can feel equally represented, I think that's the kind of music that really speaks for us.